I know I look really horrible, but it's okay. Dominic just woke up and found this thing in the living room. What do you think about that, Dom? Huh? Dominic. He doesn't even know what to think about it, huh? Dominic, what about that thing? What about that thing? Not the camera. What about that? Is nothing cool? You don't even know what it is. Look at, there we go. Can you climb it? Can you try and climb it? You gonna go up the slide? It's a big slide, huh? Oh, okay, so whenever he wants anything, he grabs my hand and throws it towards it. Let me see if I can do this properly. Let's see if I can get the picture. No, that's not good. Here, see if I can get the picture. Here we go. There you go. Watch out. Here we go. Sit. Sit. Ready? Come on. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Yeah, let the car go. See how that goes. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. You scared? 1, 2. Come on. Come on. Are you scared? Come on. Oh, here you go. You're sliding. Come on. Hey. Come on. It's a new thing, huh? Okay, so I guess you're not going to come down then, huh? What are you going to do? What are you going to do? There he goes. Come on, come on, come on. Whee! Is that fun? Want to go back up? Can you climb back up or no? Push back up. You gotta try it this way. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Is that cool? That was cool, huh? See these things? You gotta climb up. Hey, you can do it. Climb up. Don't fall. There you go. Be careful. Dominic's first slide experience. Climb up. You gonna climb up? You can do it. Go ahead. Do it. Go, go, go. Say go, 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 Daddy, go. Go, go, go. You can do it? You like being like that? Okay, you're gonna climb down. Oh. Yeah. You can go up the slide now? Yeah? You think so? Yeah. That's some deep stuff there, buddy. Almost as deep as my belly. Can you climb up it? You gotta be careful climbing up because it's slippery. You want to back up? Oh, no. Let's see. Oh, walk out. You want to be right there? You want to go back? What do you want to do? Yeah? Looks blurry. I guess the focus is okay. Come on. You gonna come down? Can you do it? Come on. Come on, don't be scared. You can do it. Come on, it's not that scary. 吃吃。小小放屁。你好吗 ？Come on. Oh, it's so far. Oh, really? You think so, huh? You getting this on the camera? Hey, come on. Come on. Come on, 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 come on. Ready? 1, 2. 1, 2. Let go. Let go. 3. Okay, that was fun, huh? Was that fun? Was that fun? You do it again, don't you? Yeah! And there you have it, folks. The next purveyor of fine roller coasters across America. Yay, Dominic! Can you wave bye-bye? Can you wave bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Oh. Say bye-bye. Da, da, da. Yeah! Good job.